Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rebecca Lina, a European District Marketing Manager for CNC. Well, I'll briefly talk about China National Consumer Goods Corporation, CNC in general, as a major Chinese company that manufactures a range of cleaning agents like the popular bath gel Pao Pao. Pao Pao bath gel was introduced to the mainland Chinese market in the 1990s and has been a popular household brand since early 2000s. CNC holds 60% of the Chinese market in personal hygiene and household cleaning products. Much of Pao Pao branding was based on a marketing strategy that appealed to quality, status, and the Chinese national identity. CNC's marketing strategy worked well, and Pao Pao quickly became the top bath gel in mainland China and a major competitor in other Asian countries like Vietnam, South Korea, and Taiwan. Mainly, I'm here to discuss a controversial television commercial for the bath gel Pao Pao, which had been broadcasting throughout China 2 weeks ago. This commercial has an extremely negative impact on the company image throughout Europe, and since the commercial first appeared in the mainland China, activists and social media user sites like YouTube and Twitter have been demanding an apology from CNC, calling the company racist or worse, the Chinese culture racist. I am worried about what consequences the Pao Pao commercial will have on European market. For the past decade, Pao Pao has become a popular household name brand throughout Asia and Europe, with UK, France, and Germany leading in the European market. Unfortunately, there is a sudden decline on our market in Europe due to the controversial commercial of Pao Pao, and European distributors are demanding that something needs to be done to solve this issue. Based on the size of our market and our market area, our sales for a year are $300. I project CNC will be in excellent position to attract the European market by 10% every year if we use a more globalized approach while maintaining the company's overall image of being high-quality Chinese brand. We plan to progressively build our client base through newspapers, websites, social media, advertisement, direct email, word of mouth, and public relations to counteract the negative image. With the extensive experience I have throughout the UK, France, and Germany, I recommend that we need to think about how we can make up for the negative impact the recent commercial in mainland China has. The company not only needs to counteract the negative impact that the Pao Pao commercial has on the company, but also needs to revise the overall marketing strategies and to rethink about what marketing strategies we can use. The company needs to reconsider how to structure the marketing and sales department. Unless we do so, I am worried the European expansion will suffer if CNC want to expand beyond China and compete in the global market. Management needs to reconsider how we brand CNC products if we truly want to avoid situations like the Pao Pao scandal. There is need to improve on our customer care and respond to complaints as soon as possible without letting issues to get out of hand, so as to avoid widespread of negative message. I encourage that workers should be treated as equal amongst superiors when presenting ideas, and the superiors to welcome new ideas and advice from the staff, the public, and the European office. The Shenzhen office could try to be clear to the European team about their expectations. There is also need to improve on communication between the two main offices so as to have a better working relationship and facilitate brainstorming together as a team. Communication can be two-way and horizontal rather than top-bottom. And this will help to minimize dictating on how things are to be done. The traditional approaches to advertisement are behind times, and we could reconsider the impact of digital technology and social media on product branding. The company also needs to change its corporate culture. The European office requests for more of a voice and decision-making powers so that we could use what we know to appeal to the European consumers. I would like to briefly go through what I have been talking about. Restructuring. I've been talking about restructuring of CNC's marketing and sales department, solving problem of communication between international offices, global branding, to improve on customer care and problem solving, European office to be given more of decision-making power, changing the company's corporate culture, the company to consider digital technology and social media, moving away from the current racist image of CNC. Finally, I highly recommend that management could put in consideration a more globalized approach to marketing while maintaining the company's overall image of being a high-quality Chinese brand so as to penetrate the European market. If anyone has any suggestions or objections or questions, you are all welcome. Thank you very much for sparing your precious time to be here today.